Hello, I am Dilara and I am going to talk about our software requirements engineering project. I will talk about introduction part and considering that a new e-commerce site is constantly being opened nowadays, we can hold ourselves without asking why e-business. To tell the truth, this question can be answered with many answers. In addition to the convenience and easy access it offers to your customer, the reasons such as high level of profit and return of your company can be considered as the main reasons for the features that bring e-commerce to the fore. Reasons such as profit your firm makes and high levels of return can be considered as the main reasons for the features that bring e-commerce to the fore. The purpose of our project is to be enable people to shop more comfortably and easily at the same time, because people love to shop and they want to shop when they are at home or when they are busy. And thinking about this, we design a shopping website that doesn't bore people and they can enjoy, because when people come together they usually talk on their common interests, and this leads to sharing their experiences with each other. um, and There are project scope and outcomes. Project scope, the project will make people shop easier and more accessible. That's why we designed the interface of the site in a way people will not be forced and will enjoy. The project is not complicated and straightforward. It has been designed in a such way that no one is forced. Attention was paid to ensure that the report is not confused and boring. Attention was paid to the pleasure of shopping. And there is a UML diagram here, and admin class and customer classes are produced from the same ancestor, so their interfaces are common. It classifies all management operations as controller. It uses connect class to connect database. It also connects to the class I use to the user operations with the connect class. It adds products using the product class. After adding to the cart, we used an interface for payment transactions and created three types of payment types: pay at the door, and credit card, and crypto coin. Project members and their responsibilities. I am Dilara, and introduction thesis; Asya, business plan thesis; Berke, software architecture design; Hilmi Berkay, diagrams and implementation tracking metrics; Reha, requirements analysis and mockup; Umut, mockup and conclusion.
Hello everyone, I'm Asya Zehra and I'm gonna tell you about our project related work. We have questions here that you may be curious about our projects. So let's start. First one is, what is the history of the problem? The history of our problem starts with the pandemic, but if you want to go far, it starts with our living style. The e-commerce site is something that emerged because it provides many services such as taking advantage of discount buying without effort. The second question is, why is this problem interesting? The fact that people can buy discounted products or reach all the products they want from where they live actually makes right side interesting. And the third question is, when and why does the problem occur? As I said before, the problem unfortunately starts with the pandemic. People could not or don't want to leave their house, which they can't buy their shopping needs. And that's how the problem occur. That's why we created an e-commerce site and people were not left behind from their shopping needs. The fourth question is, are there any similar systems or solution that you want propose? If so, reference and very briefly example them. The most known shopping site for the world is Amazon, I guess, and so did you. So the price is a little expensive, and we think that we can take those a little low. As you know, since the pandemic starts, people fired from their jobs and don't have money to shopping, but for keep living, we need shopping for our basic needs. So we think that we can do something about that. There are a couple of smaller systems or solutions like ours. Examples for the worldwide Amazon, Alibaba, eBay, Wayfair, and examples for a country if you want to know Trendyol, Hepsi Burada, Neon Beer, and more others. And our last question is, are there possible improvements to current solution? There are, of course, possible solutions, improvements like shopping online, like you don't need to go outside, can purchase home, or promotions like when you buy one, then you get one free, or they make sales at the purchase page. We have use case model here, which is explained by using the UML diagrams. As you can see, we have user and the admin here. User can access the search, so search product, view product, register, add to cart, payments, logout, and also you can see login. Admin can access to all of them that you can see, but not search product or search anything because admin can edit operation including categories, product, and also including add delete categories and adding deleting products.
Hello there. Today I'm going to talk about our e-commerce site that's called Shopping. The aim of this project is making some kind of basics e-commerce website. In this project, the point is managing several categories for preparing for sale, which has been categorized such as sport, furniture, clothing, fashion, gaming, and etc. In this website, there is a register and login system. In this system, user should register, then login. Therefore, the customer can add and drop everything to his or her cart. As can be seen clearly, it's almost same with basic register versions of the other websites. In this website, additionally, there is no change in the system until the page is refreshed. And this project has some kind of requirements. These requirements has been separated to functional and non-functional requirements. In the screen, as you can see, there are some child elements. These child elements has been named admin panel, user panel, home page, types, concentrates, and performance. These requirements has some kind of models. As you can see in the screen, there is an admin login page, and admin can have some kind of operations. These operations, one of the operations of this deleting operation, adding operation, and editing operation. These are one of the functions of the admin. There is also some payment method. In this payment method, customers can add products into their chart, also then finish their payment with pay button. It's almost same with other e-commerce websites. As you can see, user should be registered first of all of the system. Then they should be login to making shopping. Also, there is some homepage. This homepage has contact us, categorize, and other examples. In this contact us, we have two kind of options. One of the option is phone support, other option is email support. As you can see on the screen, the categorizes has been separated one by one in the screen. These are sport, furniture, clothing, fashion, and gaming. Also, there is some non-functional requirements. These non-functional requirements also has been separated one by one. One of them is types. These types also have some kind of child elements, and one of the other child element is pseudo requirements. These requirements has also definition below, and the pseudo requirements has other child elements, as you can see in the screen: physical, legal, cultural, environment, design and implementation, and interface. All these function and non-function requirement has their model and definition, and these requirements has same examples with the others. That's it. All I can say is this. Have a great day.
Hello everybody, my part is proposal system and class diagram and functional and non-functional requirements analyze, and I did transaction matrix for our prototype. I also implemented a prototype for our project, our prototype of transaction matrix. As you can see, admin operations. I only make a test for imported part, which I not sure to be it will be successful. I upload this file with zip. Now this is my code part. It's file structure, as you can see at the left part. Now I want to start my presentation with thesis document. Our shopping system will assure the secure way to shopping online, which you can pay with crypto money, or we have something new. We follow the modern parts, and you can pay at the door with the low prices. We have functional requirements: users, stakeholders want, admin panel, and user panel, and homepage. And non-functional requirements: reliability. We use PHP technologies, MySQL technologies, and we normalize it. Usability. This is usable project. I want to start to show prototype. I log before. I don't exit. I'm going to destroy the session. Now I register before. I will be speedy. I want to use Turkish don't use Turkish characters, and password JJ, register it. Now I am going to log in with this. I will give wrong password at the first time. Our session type false, as you can see. Now we are going to log in, and JJ will log it. We have shopping cart and log out, but we don't have any product. Now we can add product. Add products, categorize. We have categorize. We can add categorize X, and I'm going to use this product category. Product name is admin U, admin product name, and price is 90 grand. Product image will be my class PHP diagram, class diagram. I edit, and I want it other thing. It's our use case, old use case, and this category is highlighted. Use case. This price is 1 grand. I edit. Now we can show the products, and we have categorize. We can show the user information, Haluk Gumuskaya. As you can see, admin information. We use MD5 protection in code PHP function for secure the passwords. Now I'm going to log out with admin. Now I'm going to refresh our homepage. I'm going to add this. I can't add because I didn't add myself. I didn't register. I didn't sign in. Our password was JJ. Now we are in our website as login. We add these cards and make a filtration. Speedy, add card. Now I'm going to pay this card. Order is finished. Now I want to back again to my thesis. I want to show you, and this is performance requirements. Response time is minimum, maximum 1 second. Speedy website, everybody want, every customers want. And this is the constraint: physical, legal, cultural. We don't have any cultural constraints. We only have interface constraints because we use PHP. We have to use WordPress or something else. And I designed the class diagram. Class diagram, we have admin, customer, product, controller, user, controller, admin, controller, connect singleton class. And this is pattern, singleton pattern. I connect with this MySQL to my PHP files, and admin and customer classes use same interface, user interface, use these files and methods. And controller user and controller admin, they have association between connect singleton class for connect. I also write this database diagram. I print this database diagram with PHP my admin share schema, and we use tools Drive.io for this, and I use tools enterprise architecture program. My part is finished. Thank you for listening me.
Hello guys, I'm Reha. Today talk about the scenario mockup and result part the software requirement engineering course project. I will start. First of all, let's start with the scenario where the customers will enter e-commerce website. First of all, the moment the server opens its website, the home page comes out. The customers need to register on the website before they can buy something. Then it's time to login. After customer logs in, he can narrow the range of the product he wants with search or filtering. Then the customers add the products they want to the product cart, and after removing the items they have not, the customers move to the product basket. If the customers has not logged into site, there is no change to add the products to basket and must be logged in. If he's logged in, the pay section appears in the product basket and the payment can be made easily. Finally, the customer exits the website. After admin panel, if we came to admin panel, I will talk about it a little more briefly. We will process as an admin who enters the admin panel for the first time. First of all, we log in to the admin panel with the user's name and password given to us. We add the categories we want to add the check from admin panel whether these categories are added or not. Then we add the products we want to add. Again, check whether the products are added to panel or not. We can also check information of users from the users part. Finally, the admin exits the website. After mockup, here you can see my mockup works for every page of the website. last part in conclusion. Okay. We had a problem of the filtering products in our e-commerce site project. We brought a category and brand separation system to filter the products more easily. We can organize the categories and brands by defining difference. It's in our MySQL database, and then we plan to put a search bar for our product search problem, so that when the users write the keywords for the product can be viewed. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I wish you a good day.